fake. Yes, it's completely fake. As you can see, I recorded this video from just a plain wall to this, and in this video, using your smartphone, I will show you how to change the background of your YouTube video to make it look good and more professional, even though you don't have an experience and even though you don't have expensive equipment and cool accessories. So let's dive into the video. Hey guys, welcome here. I'm Timmy Victoye, and in this channel we talk about business and making money online tips. So if making money online is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell icon on the side so you get notified immediately each time I publish a new video like this. So to change the background of any of your video, follow these 3 simple steps. The first step is to record yourself. Yes, record yourself. Now when you're recording yourself, make sure you have a good lighting facing you. This will make sure your video turn out well in the end. You can use artificial lights such as ring lights, any professional video shooting lights that you have. But if you don't have any of this, you can simply use what I'm using, that is the natural light from the sun. All you need to do is to face your window or your door, then record. The aim is to just make sure you are visible, that there's enough light facing you, and so you won't just be caught away when editing your video. Another thing that you should put in mind is that you should place your phone on a tripod. Yes, on a tripod. Don't give someone to hold it for you when recording, to make it stable and to avoid it from shaking. If your phone is shaking, by the time you place your background in the video, it will turn out well as you wish to. So if you don't have a tripod, also you can also use your window. Just leave your phone there and record. The next thing to do is to get a background image. So the next thing to do is to go to your Chrome browser and search for Leonardo AI. Yes, Leonardo AI. Tap on the first one here. Then you see a site like this called Leonardo AI. Unleash your creativity and blah blah blah. So you're going to click on create an account. When you click on create an account, it's going to bring you to this page here. Then you tap logo to use your Gmail account. And after sign up, it's going to bring you to this page here. What you're going to do is to click this top right button here. Then you go to image generation here. Now it's going to bring you to this another page here. Every of your photo you generate uses coins. As you can see here, you have 150 coins here. So the first thing you are going to do is to tap this setting icon here. Scroll and when you tap on this 3:4, then change it to 16:9. Then you go back. Now we are going to type in our prompt here for our background. I'm just going to type design. Don't worry, I'm going to put in the prompt in the description below. Design a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, look at what I type. I type design a YouTube thumbnail background with lit RGB light setup. It has a nice table with a computer setup and a new gadget. So what we're just going to do is to tap this generate button below. It uses 8 coins per photos. Now it's loading. And boom! You can see the beautiful images. And see, look at the beautiful images generate for us. So I'm just going to choose this one. Then you tap this download button at the side here. Then you can see it has downloaded. Now let's open it to view it. You can see, look at our beautiful images. And again, if you don't want to use Leonardo.ai, you can also use freepik.com. Just go to freepik.com and search for YouTube Studio background. It's going to bring in some images like this, then you download it. You can also use canva.com. Just go to canva.com, sign up or sign in. It's also simple. And you click on this search icon and type in YouTube thumbnail. Now you're going to see many thumbnails here. Now what you're just going to do is to tap this plus icon here to create a new one by yourself. Now that you are here, you're just going to click this plus icon below. Then you see something like this. Then you tap element. Then you scroll down. You scroll down so you see generate your own. Tap it. Now this way you are going to generate your own images. Put in your prompt here. I'm just going to copy and paste my prompt here that I've typed. I'm also going to put it in the description below. Look at what I type. I type a desk with a flat screen on it, a table plant, a wooden lamp, an art piece on the wall, and a YouTube logo on the screen. I'm just going to tap it here, and it should be filmic, and I'm just going to press generate image. I'm going to generate our 4 images for us. Boom! Look at our 4 images. Look at beautiful images. So I'm just going to choose one. Then now resize it. I'll let it fit into the shape. Resize it very well. Then after I'll tap here at the top to download it. It's downloaded already. Now after getting your background images, the last thing to do is to edit your video. So I'm going to be using the CapCut app here. So if you don't have it, go to your Play Store and download it, or your App Store is free. So then when you are here, tap in new project, go to photos and select the image that you downloaded and press add. So the next thing we're going to do is to drag our image to fit the length of a recorded video. So if your video is 5 minutes long, drag it to 5 minutes, and if your video is 2 minutes long, you're also going to drag it to 2 minutes. My video is 12 seconds long. I think 12 seconds. I think it's 12 seconds long, so I'm just going to drag it to 12 seconds long. Now the next thing to do is to upload your recorded video as an overlay. So I'm just going to tap overlay here. This overlay you are seeing here, tap it, add overlay, and go to your video, the video you just recorded. I'm just going to tap it like that. So our video is an overlay now. I'm just going to tap it to remove the background. Just scroll to you see cut out, and look at cut out here. Click it and click remove background. Remove background. You can see it remove the background immediately, and it's still counting a percentage. I'm just going to wait till reach 100%. I'm just going to pause this now. So it's complete 100% already. Now I'm just going to fit the video very well. So now it's showing where the body is cut out away. And again, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up if you haven't, please. Now the next thing we are going to do is to blur the background, the image. We are going to blur it so as to blend in with the recorded video. So to do that, just look for effect button, just tap it and look for video effect. Then you search for blur. Now after it's loaded up, you're going to see many blur, but you need only the first one. And I've clicked the blur now. We are just going to also adjust it so it's going to look more realistic. So I think I'm going to leave it 7. And also after putting your blur, make sure you drag it to the end totally to fit into the video. You can also add some filter to make it come out and look more realistic. And boom, our video is ready. You can see. Now this is how you remove the background of your video and to make your video look more realistic. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Please subscribe. And also share it to your colleagues or friends. It may solve their problem also. Bye.